Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to upgrade your Wix site. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in wix.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Wix if you already don't have an account. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and check out what we actually have in front of us. So this is my website that I started making. And as you can see in the bottom top left corner, we have sites, settings, promote, hire professional, help. We have the publish button and all of these cool tools. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and upgrade your Wix site. So first of all, you need to go and follow these few steps. So first of all, log into your Wix account, as I already told you in the start of the video. Then click on the upgrade button. Then when you click on the upgrade button, which is in the top right corner, as you can see here, upgrade to premium and get more, get a free domain to connect with your site, remove Wix ads, connect Google Analytics. To upgrade, start by saving your site. So just click on save site to start upgrading. Then, of course, when you select the subscription period and enter your payment details, click submit purchase. If you just want to make some minor changes or updates to your content, you can do this directly from the Wix editor here, as I already told you. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I already told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, bye guys.